In this video, I will show you exactly how to change the color of your text objects using CorelDRAW so you can make your designs look professional and vibrant. The process is actually very straightforward, but it starts with making sure you have the right tool active before you try to change anything. To begin this simple process, go ahead and select the Pick tool from your interface. You can find this icon at the very top of the toolbar on the left side of your screen. It looks like the standard arrow icon you are likely used to seeing. If you want to save a little bit of time, you can also quickly activate this tool by simply pressing the spacebar on your keyboard. Once you have the Pick tool ready to go, the next thing you need to do is click on the specific text object that you want to recolor. When you click it, you will notice that a bounding box appears around the words, featuring small black square handles on the corners and sides. This visual indicator lets you know that the text is correctly selected and ready for modification. Now, turn your attention over to the right side of your workspace. You should see a vertical bar known as the color palette running along the far right edge of your screen. This palette contains a wide variety of different shades and hues for you to choose from. To apply a new look, all you have to do is left-click on any individual color swatch within that palette. As soon as you click, the fill color of your text will change instantly to match your selection. You can keep clicking different swatches until you find the perfect shade for your project. It really is that easy to customize your typography and bring some flair to your artwork.